Hello, hi everyone. This is Priya Vaishu, me Vaisagama in Saudi. So today I reporting live from Saudi Arabia. Today I did one super duper thing. నేను ఒక చాలా crazy musical concert కి వెళ్ళాను. And trust me, my ears are still dancing. I went to the best of live concert. Our legendary Shitta garu, her voice, ayo, pure magic anamata. Even my heart said, ma'am, please sing one more. Along with her, Anamika garu and many beautiful singers. Whole Dama was like a ఒక్క నిమిషం అనమాట. Is this concert or heaven party? సో ఐ వాజ్ స్మైలింగ్, డాన్సింగ్, క్లాపింగ్ అన్నీ ఒక్కసారి. చిత్ర మ్యామ్ క్యూట్ స్మైల్, అయ్యో పాపం హార్ట్ మెల్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. సో రియల్లీ దట్ కాన్సర్ట్ ఈస్ బికమ్ ఏ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ అండ్ మోస్ట్ మెమరబుల్ మూమెంట్ ఫర్ మీ అండ్ ఫర్ ద పీపుల్ హూ మిస్ ఇట్. అండ్ ఏం చేయలేము, బట్ గుడ్ లక్. ఐ అప్లోడ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఆన్ మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు ఎంజాయ్ the full fun, please check and follow, like and share and subscribe. And bye bye. Next time more fun, more entertainment and more crazy moments. Andarki good luck. Na channel ki kuda good luck. Bye bye.
വിവിധ ഭാഷകളിലായി 36 സംസ്ഥാന അവാർഡുകളും കരസ്ഥമാക്കി. ഇത്രയേറെ പുരസ്കാരങ്ങൾ കരസ്ഥമാക്കിയ ഒരേ ഒരു ഇന്ത്യൻ ഗായികയും KS ചിത്ര തന്നെ. എത്രയെത്ര മധുര ഗാനങ്ങളാണ് KS ചിത്ര നമുക്കായി സമ്മാനിച്ചത്. ഗായിക എന്നതിലപ്പുറം അകാലത്തിൽ പൊലിഞ്ഞ മകൾ നന്ദനയുടെ ഇവൻസിനുമൊക്കെ ഇത് അഭിമാന നിമിഷം. 4 പതിറ്റാണ്ടിലേറെയായി ആലാപന സൗന്ദര്യത്തിലൂടെ നൂറുകണക്കായ അനശ്വര ഗാനങ്ങളിലൂടെ
ആദ്യം തന്നെ എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ നമസ്കാരം. വ്രതശുദ്ധിയുടെ പുണ്യഭൂമിയായിട്ടുള്ള സൗദി അറേബ്യയിൽ വരാൻ സാധിക്കുമെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. സാംസ്കാരിക വേദിയുടെ എല്ലാ മെമ്പേഴ്സിനും നന്ദി പറയുന്നു. സ്പെഷ്യലായിട്ട് ദിലീപിനോട് നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുന്നു. അതുപോലെ